Hello, kids! Today, we're going to learn how to spell some things we see every day. These words are all around us, and we use them all the time. Let's begin. The first word is book. Can you say book? Let's spell it. B-O-K, book. A book has pages with stories and pictures inside. You can read a book and learn so many new things. Next word is chair. Can you say chair? Let's spell it. C-H-R, chair. A chair is where we sit. We use it in the kitchen, the living room, and even at school. Our third word is cup. Can you say cup? Let's spell it. C-U-P, cup. You drink from a cup. Cups can be for water, juice, or even milk. And the last word is door. Can you say door? Let's spell it. Door, door. A door helps us go in and out of rooms. You open a door when you want to enter or leave. Great job, kids! Keep practicing, and you'll be spelling all the things around you in no time.